Hi guys, welcome back to the channel here. We are back out at Pike Island Dam, going to do some catfishing today. It's supposed to get hot here later, around 95 degrees. It's right around 7:30, 8 o'clock right now. Right around 72. So it's going to get pretty warm today. Let's see if we can get on a few cats before it gets hot. Let's see what we got going on here. Probably a log. Oh yeah, a bunch of debris. This is cheese flavored here. And I had my doubts when I first bought it. Man, does it work. I mean, bad thing is you got to rebait like every 15-20 minutes if you got a moving current. You just dip your treble down that, and that's about it. This container here is 16 ounces. It runs about $6. I'm actually going to get a 5-gallon bucket of this stuff just because I get through a lot of it. I'll keep it in my cooler, just keep it, it being hot today, I'll just keep it in the cooler, keep it stiff. We got definitely fish, little channel. Yep, easy buddy. And that's on that Whisker Seeker's dip bait. Does really well with channel cat. Let's get you over here, get the pliers out, bub. Alright, little guy here. Throw him on this side. And off he goes. Finally on the board. It's been a couple hours. It's starting to get hot. Breeze getting pretty bad here. It's been like this all spring. Normally this time of year it's pretty clear, but all the rain and stuff we've gotten is pretty bad. Oh yeah. Got off. Or did he? No, he's on there. Just running towards me. Hey, can you grab that net? My bait, huh? That's a little bigger. Thank you. Yep. Zach, cast out where I was at, bud. That's a big shelf right there.
Not too shabby.
Nah, he's alright. Yeah, it's a big shelf right there. It's like 2 foot deep. Cast out here, it's like 20 feet.
Oh,
Yeah, we're hooked up to something here. Looks like a gar. It's a long nose. I hate them. I hate them. I hate them. I hate them. That felt good. Teeth are sharp. Ripped me wide open.
Hey, Zach.
Has he ever seen one of these?
I don't think so. That's why I was calling him up here. He caught a gar. I didn't know if he'd actually seen one yet or not, so I wanted to get him.
And he bit me.
And yeah, we got him. Oh! Need a pair of pliers?
Yeah. I'm just cutting. Them teeth are sharp, bud. He's got something, some kind of netting around him. Shouldn't help you, she bit me. Yeah, go live life. That's normally how it is with the minnows. This feels like a cat. What we got? Cat. Yeah, I'll need a net for that one. Zach, where you at, man? Where's fish at? Where's your fish?
See, I had it first.
Walk him over here. How we looking?
Still right on the edge.
Another little one. bit me. Come here, buddy. Ugh. That dip bait's good, man. Punch bait.
Nice one. Got it.
Where's that hook at? You're nice and slimy.
Yeah, you got good color, Tony.
Yep. You got a pair of pliers on you by chance?